To enable dark mode on your Galaxy A73 5G, simply go to Settings. On the Settings page, go to Display, tap on that, and at the top there you should see Light, which is light mode and is a default mode. You can also see dark mode, and if you select it, your phone goes into dark mode immediately, and everything here is now in dark mode. And because this is an OLED panel, dark mode looks really dark and looks awesome. Now if you go back to the display settings, you can turn light mode back on by simply selecting that. And also you have dark mode settings. Now if you tap on that, you can be able to schedule dark mode. So turn that on. Gives you two options. The first option is basically for the phone to decide what time sunset is and what time sunrise in, and it's going to enable dark mode at sunset and enable light mode during sunrise. But also you can select custom schedule and set your own sunrise and your own sunset, or basically when you want dark mode to start and when you want it to end. But if you want dark mode permanently, simply tap on there and it's gonna be on dark mode permanently. And that's how to enable and disable dark mode on your Galaxy A73 5G. Thanks for watching and good luck.